you doing, guys? And welcome back to Fresco Channel Cooking Show with Chef Big Mama en la casa. And like you notice, I guess she just finished working out. Did you finish working out?
I'm sorry, guys.
Did you wash your hands?
No, yes.
All right, so you guys remember me talking in the live stream that I was gonna do another cooking video, and last time we did it, but I didn't record it. It was jerk pork chunks, and it tasted pretty good. And decided to make a video just in case you guys want to try it at home. You can do it yourself. She already cut up the pork right there, little chunks.
I think I'm gonna use just that. I'm not gonna use this bunch here because I think that's enough for us, right?
Yeah, I think. And then she's actually cooking up the onions. So you already cooked up the onions, and what you got in there?
I'm gonna cook them now. I just put the olive oil.
The olive oil
and
onions so far. Okay. So where's the jerk seasoning? I'm curious. Where is it? Oh, there you go. There you go. So basically it says jerk seasoning, Jamaican style man. Jamaican man, yeah, it's mine. The team, brother, is that it's not that spicy because I don't like spicy stuff. She's gonna put some garlic. All right. This is cut up garlic, already comes cut up. Cause she's lazy.
No.
Nah, it just makes it easy.
I want to show you guys something. I'm not lazy. Look.
Okay, what you gonna show me?
You see this one here? I make this one myself.
Oh, you made that one yourself? Yes. Oh, in a pickle jar.
You see? Olive oil with the garlic cloves. Whatever.
Okay. Interesting. So, and look at that. She's making her protein muffins.
Yeah, they came out bad this time.
Interesting. And I'm, yes, yours truly, the director of the show here. So I'm not gonna do no work this time. I'm just gonna supervise and direct. Right? So she's stirring it up. And let me ask you a question. We're 5. And so how much of a pound of meat would you say that is? About 4 pounds, 3 pounds?
Maybe 3 pounds.
Come on, take a guess. Ding, 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 ding.
3.
About 3 pounds. Okay, because yeah, that's gonna be too much if we put it all together. So we're just gonna use about 3 pounds of pork.
This is like a medium onion and a half.
Onion and a half. Oh, okay, white
onions,
onion.
I can put like 3. Look, he doesn't like onions that much. I'm being conservative.
I do not like onions that much. Well, I don't like them to overpower the taste.
And he doesn't like this either, so instead of putting like 3 or 4, I'm just gonna put 1.
You see, this is that little thing. I hate that leaf.
Bay leaf.
I hate that.
I don't think that
seasoning.
the real Jamaican jerk pork.
I hate it with the passion. I hate that leaf. The taste of the leaf. You know why I hate it? Because to me, it overpowers the whole flavor. So she's gonna put 2 leaves. So 2 leaves to an onion and a half, olive oil.
I'm gonna put a pepper.
Some pepper, all right.
Black pepper.
A little black pepper. She's gonna pepper it up.
And then put this like kind of low so you don't want the garlic to burn, because if the garlic burns,
it
becomes better. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, for a little bit.
You guys are paying attention? Because I'm not.
So onion, garlic, pepper, and the 2 bay leaves.
And you stir.
And then this is what I do.
What that is?
I'm Cuban, and I'm using the jerk seasoning, but I still have to put some.
So why are you putting that one?
I always put a little bit of this.
Boy, complete seasoning. I know what it is. It's a Cuban jerk. Hialeah style, Miami, everything.
They use the allspice. It's the same thing. That's a complete seasoning. It's allspice. It's like...
So we're going to call it 50-50 Jamaican jerk Cuban chicken. I mean, not even chicken. A pork. Look at that. She got me going crazy. All right, the jerk. She's going to jerk the seasoning.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the pork itself a little bit, and then I'm going to put some over there as well.
Okay.
I should have gotten a bigger plate, but I was lazy. I don't want to be washing too much. So. Let's put some inside.
All right, so you put more or less to your flavorings. Oh, so you cook it all at once like that? I thought you had to like, I thought you had to like marinate it for a little while.
No, if you do, it's better.
Oh, okay. So what?
Okay, if you notice, I didn't put any salt because this has salt already. The sazon completa, the total seasoning thing has salt.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the liquid aminos. This is just soy sauce.
Yeah, that's like, what are you?
The substitute for soy sauce.
Wait.
It takes it.
Wait a minute. She's putting Cuban, well, I guess Spanish seasoning, Jamaican seasoning, and now Chinese soy sauce. So what kind of? She's making a time bomb to go. Make everybody go to the bathroom.
Okay, whatever.
So-
They use the same seasonings as well.
So what you want to call it?
It's jerk. It's jerk.
All right. We'll see. It looks scary to me,
And of
but it
course,
tastes good.
And
And
I
what?
put a little bit of this
Oh
too.
my God! Now more stuff. She is dangerous.
If the Jamaican subscribers are watching, please
She's not a real
don't
cook.
get my secret, okay?
All right, so I guess you stir it up.
Yeah. You can bring it a little higher. Make sure everything.
And to answer another question, because some comments say, does she actually wear stuff like that? Yes, she does, because remember, she likes working out, so she's normally around the house dressed like that. Believe it or not. You know. Because she's working out all the time. Well, most of the time, so. And actually, this is the new style, since I kind of got used to it, because every time I go to the store now, I feel like I'm gonna rob the bank every time I go. I feel like I'm gonna rob the store every time I go into the stores when you have to put on this face mask. But I guess it's a new, kind of habit you have to build. So let me tell you guys another secret. We use the microwave to make rice. Ta-da! There you go. We got the rice ready. I guess I'm gonna
And
bring
you
it
want
down.
another secret?
What's the other secret?
Come.
What's the secret? All right. She gonna tell me some secrets.
Okay, where's my,
What's the secret?
oh, right here.
What's the secret?
Look at that.
Ah, she puts a napkin in the rice. Why?
Because I was heating up the one that we had left over, and I put it on top of the new one, so now I go like this, and I use the old one first.
Wait. She stuck old rice with a new rice. This is an experiment. This is not a cooking show. This is weird science. So I guess she makes.
We're Cuban, so we're used to not throwing anything away. Nothing goes to waste.
We recycle everything.
I'm gonna leave my little paper on top to keep the moist. I see you.
As long as it tastes good, it's okay.
And then I'll just keep it in the microwave.
And look at you. He's waiting for his jerk meat too.
That might not be the healthiest way to cook rice, but
It's okay.
it's convenient.
So now you just cover it and let it sit.
I cover it so the juices, because
The juices flow.
Yeah, the pork was a little bit, not completely frozen, but a little bit. So I'm
Frozen?
letting the water of the pork, that's the one that's gonna cook everything. You see? See how the water comes out? So now it's gonna cook slowly.
And for those that want to know, and you're nosy like me, yes, we have not finished the kitchen. We're still missing the backsplash.
And that is entirely his fault. Because I have been after you, let's go.
But the stores
get
are closed.
stuff
The stores are
and
closed.
Do it now, but
I think the stores are closed, right? Yeah, the stores are closed. So you still have to finish with the backsplash. You notice? You got no backsplash. So we've been living half kitchenless, I guess you want to call it. Oh, and also here, if you guys remember this area here, I made this to be my little bar that I haven't finished. But here, I'm gonna have, since what do you call it, a lot of liquor bottles and stuff like that for display. Because me, I'm not a drinker, but it looks good.
You didn't do a good job, tell the truth, and you have to remove
Yeah,
it.
and actually the cabinet guys didn't do a good job. I had to actually remove the glass and re-glue it and put the shelf level because the guys did a bad job. Sometimes you gotta do yourself. So, but so I guess we're gonna let the meat cook by itself there, and waste some time, I guess. So how long you cook it for?
Like an hour?
Like an hour? So it's like a pressure cooking thing?
No, it stays there until it's dry and it becomes golden. Like.
Oh,
brown.
okay. So you cook it about an hour, but you stir it, and then once it becomes golden,
And then all the water, all the juices that dry out.
the juices evaporate, I guess, or dry up, and then, well, I guess we'll see. So what I'm gonna do is I guess I'm not gonna hold the camera for an hour. So I just let it sit there, and we'll come back to it. All right, guys? Okay.
smoke is gonna come out.
All right, so you see, where's all water came from?
From the pork.
From the pork, all the juices are coming out from the pork. Okay.
So the little bit of mojo criollo that I put.
Okay, and there's a leaf that I don't like. I see it right there.
Mm-hmm.
So.
You see, it doesn't have color yet, right?
Yeah, it's starting to smell. It's starting to smell sweet.
Okay, but you see how it doesn't have like a lot of color yet?
Yeah, no color yet.
You'll see eventually.
Okay, it's gonna turn colors.
It's
gonna turn colors.
I'm gonna take a shower. So you have
You're gonna
to
take a shower?
Yeah, you have to watch it. I'm gonna put it low so like that it cooks.
You're gonna take a shower?
Yes.
No, I thought it was the meat. It's her that she smells funny. All right, so I guess we'll keep you updated when she comes back from the shower. And I have to watch that?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll watch.
I have to watch right here.
Okay, I'll watch. Put me to work. I'm the cameraman. Cameraman don't work.
How are you gonna burn it?
Oh, look, guys. Look who's inside the house. Look who's in the house. Big King is in the house. You know why Big King is in the house? Because it is raining so much here for the past few days that it's crazy.
Let's show something too.
Oh, we're gonna show you. We're gonna show you how smart King is. Where's Kingy? King, get in, King. Where's King? King, where are you? There he goes.
He knows that I have.
There he goes. Watch. We're gonna show you how smart. Oh, look. He's actually stealing Yuli's food.
Bang, King.
Okay, check this out. Check this. Come on. Tell him how it is. Oh, but you got Yuli, man. He kinda acting crazy.
Yuli.
Yeah.
Bang, King.
All right. Check out. There you go. He sat down.
Okay. Down.
There you go. He just went down.
Sit. Up.
Look at that.
Nah, not around yet.
He's ready.
Down. Roll over. Roll over. Quítate Yuli del medio.
Yuli.
Down.
Yuli's been trying to take the show.
Roll over. Roll over. Good boy.
You see how smart King is?
Hold on. Now. Up. Around.
There you go.
Good boy.
King is super smart.
Sit. Give me paw.
But Yuli's being a clown now.
Sit. Give me paw. Other paw. Good boy.
I don't understand. King is super smart to do tricks. Like when he's on the boat, he goes crazy. He throws up.
Sit.
He gets seasick.
Mira.
And he jumps off the boat.
Down. Hey, crawl. Good boy.
Yeah.
Sit. Stay. No. Stay.
Oh, he's gonna put it on his head?
Stay.
He'll try to
Get it, boy.
Ah.
There you go.
He's in the house chilling with us today because it's just raining like crazy. So, but yeah, we just keep waiting for the food. Look, we got our first customer. They're waiting for his food. This is welcome to Restaurant P.o Channel Fresco. And here we go. Joe is our first contestant, guinea pig, slash his food taster. That he's gonna try the Cuban style jerk chicken, teriyaki, whatever it is, all mixed in one. And we'll see what happens. So if he makes it within the hour, that means it's okay. If he dies, it's got poison. I'm just kidding. All right, so here we go. Dun 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 dun. Go ahead. So that taste test, please. What do you think? Is your mama Jamaican man or what, man? Go ahead. How's it taste? Dun 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 dun. How is it?
Really good.
Really good?
It's tender.
Are you lying for her or are you saying the truth?
It's good.
Okay. I don't know. It's, you know what I'm saying? His facial expression is kind of like...
No, it was good.
It was good, you sure?
It was good. I'm just...
Okay, alright. So if he said it's okay, I'll taste it. I'll be the next guinea pig. Look at that. So I'm gonna give you guys the honest truth. If it tastes bad, I'm gonna say it don't taste bad. All right, so let me sit down in the area right here.
Whether it tastes good or bad, that's what you have it for dinner.
I know, right? So it doesn't matter if it's bad or good. That's all we eat. So we'll see how it go. We'll see how it go. So this is called. I thought it was a full Jamaican thing. This is half Cuban, half Chinese, half. I don't even know what. So wait, this is a jerk, Cuban, Chinese pork. Here we go with the show.
Before you even taste it, I'm gonna try it. Because I know you.
So she's gonna try it. Dun, 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 dun.
Spicy.
Is she gonna live?
It's good. It's really good.
All right. How is it? It's good. You can't eat rice. I'm eating my rice. All right, so here we go now. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Texture, pretty good. Rice, normal. So we'll see how it goes. It's spicy? Uh-oh. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. So, if you guys don't see me anymore, you know what happened.
Last time I put Oh, you like it with the cinnamon. Last time I put cinnamon.
Yeah, no cinnamon.
No, it's a little spicy. It just caked me in the
But
throat.
it is not spicy.
Yeah. I mean, not like chicken wing spice, but it's a little spicy of something.
It's not,
Cool.
to me it's not.
That's what jerk chick.
Like hot Cheetos, like hot Cheetos.
Yeah, that's what jerk's supposed to be. Some kind of little kick in it, so it has a little kick in it.
I like it. I like it with a kick.
Plus it's hot. Woo.
I think it tastes pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's pretty good. So, okay. So that's it, guys. So, alright, so if you want to try it at home, so what was it? Chopped up onion? No. Onion?
Garlic.
Oh, garlic? No. Garlic, onion, onion and a half,
The bay leaves.
bay leaves,
That's an extra.
the jerk Jamaican sauce seasoning,
And then I put a little bit of the seasoning, the complete seasoning.
and then a Cuban, complete seasoning, and un poquito mojo, and a little bit of pepper, and then you let it cook, and then I guess you put all the meat together and everything, and you let it roast, I guess, for like an hour.
You let it, sit there and
Yeah.
cook slowly until all the liquid, evaporates.
Yeah,
And until it gets dark, like a little bit dark.
and that's it.